VanGang. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is LaToya Princess. In today's video, we are going to be doing a tutorial on how I got this look. Very effortless, very beautiful. It is just like some loose waves, beachy waves. Very low maintenance. I love this style. I definitely wanted to do something a little different with my middle part. I didn't want to add any type of baby hair, so this is something you could literally just do in a matter of a few minutes without doing all that work. If you're not good at baby hair, this is going to be the tutorial for you, okay? And I love this so much. I kind of want to get back into just not having the baby hair every single install, okay? So I love this look and I cannot wait to go out. I'm actually going to do a check-in with y'all to let y'all know how the hair performs after the end of the night. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do something a little different today because I'm going outside, okay? So yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, I'm going to show you unboxing. I'm going to show you everything in this video, and then we're going to do a check-in at the end of the video. So if you want to find out more about this hair, definitely stay tuned. So let's get into the unboxing. This hair is from MsLynn Hair, and it is going to come in this black and gold box. It is a little beat up, but that happened during, you know, the delivery and all of that, the shipping. So we're not gonna hold it against them, all right? But as you can see, it is a whole bunch of goodies in there. The sneak peek, poop, poop. Yeah. So the first thing I got was this silicone double-sided edge brush. I've never seen this. I can't wait to use it. Oh my god. The bristles, the combs, fire. Okay, you also get some faux MAC lashes. You get this MsLynn spandex edge band. Has to lay your edges. And this is where they got fancy. Okay, they gave me this gold and black high comb, and it does come with a cover for the comb. Okay, it has a little stand on it, and then it also has 4 heat settings. Also inside there was a nude wig cap, and then the unit, which is a 4x4 straight closure wig. It is 24 inches long, and the density on this unit is 210%, so she is full. It comes with a few combs, about 4 or 3, and adjustable straps. So it's one of those wigs you're going to be able to throw on your head and go out the door. Low maintenance. So girlies, for today's install, I do not want to have any baby hair, okay? So I did the adjustable straps. Now I'm going to be cutting the lace in the front, which is really quick. It's just a 4x4. You don't got to get fancy, okay? So after I did the adjustable straps and everything, I put it on my head. I wanted a center part really bad with no baby hair, so that's what we are going to be getting into. So of course I'm taking my tail comb, I'm going down that center just to make sure that part is as straight as possible. And yeah, now I'm going to use the wax stick, and I'm gonna just put that on the top of my head so that when I use the heat and the wax does something together and it lays that hair better than if you don't use any product whatsoever. So get you a nice little wax stick. I promise you will see a total difference, okay? So this hot comb isn't the best, I'm not going to lie. It wasn't really hot. I wanted it really hot, but it did what it needed to do for the tutorial. I want to add some beachy waves, so I did brush the hair out using my wet brush. That's my favorite brush to brush my hair out with. And then I am going to be doing some wand curls, okay? So I do have like a smaller wand, but I'm adding like a good amount of hair, like a good medium chunk of hair, okay? Because if you add smaller pieces of hair, you're gonna have smaller curls and you're gonna have way more work to do. So I kind of took big chunky pieces and wrapped it around. I didn't want anything too uniform. I wanted something effortless. Like I wanted it to look like beachy waves, you know, effortless waves. That was the look that I was going for. All right, so I am doing side to side. Like I'd start with my left side and then I go to the right side. Okay, so yeah, I'm curling the hair going back, and I cannot see the back of my head, but yeah, we are getting it done, boo. All right, and I'm basically just going to be repeating this step. Once I get to the other side of my head, you want to try to lay that hair down a little bit more, see how it's looking, because you want both sides of your hair to look the same. You want to brush that hair out, make sure there are no kinks. I did go and add a little bit of that edge, that spray, the got to be glued spray, just to the center part of the lace. And I did go back with the hot comb just a little bit to lay it down. Okay, now I'm brushing the hair out one more time, and then we are going to get to curling. This time when we do this side, we're going to curl going backwards as well. All right, not towards your face. Now, if you want to do it towards your face, you can, but I didn't. I wanted it to go backwards. So all of my curls are going to the back. So once it gets to the back, the curls are facing each other, and it looks so beautiful once you brush the curls out. If you want more of a fuller look, then you would do the curls in different directions. So when I get to this part, I'm going to kind of like finger comb my hair. Okay, and then we're just gonna, I was about to brush. I said, no, let me just stop, let it cool down first. Right now, I'm just gonna finger comb it, and now I'm gonna add some powder to my part. And I am just using the Sephora Micro Smooth Face Baked Compact, and that is the same powder that I use on my face. I use Deep 60. I just put it right on that middle part, and I think it just came out so beautiful. I did bleach my knots prior to the video, but I could have kept it on for a little longer, so that's why I'm putting on the powder. But this is the finished look, and I think it came out so amazing. All you have to do is brush it, add a little bit of some oil, and that is all. Okay, so I am back, and this is the finished look. I did go in and add 1 pump of the Design Essentials Silk Essentials oil, and then I brushed it out. Okay, because normally when you do these type of curls and you brush it out, it might start to tangle. So oil is really good, especially because this felt a little bit dry, so I did want to add a little bit of moisture back in the hair so that I could you know, just get rid of if it is going to tangle, because nobody wants to deal with that. Okay, so let's get into the specs. So this hair is from MsLynn Hair, and this is the 4x4 lace closure wig. This is in the texture is straight. As you saw when I washed it, it had like just a little bit of like a natural wave. Okay, and I think it looked so beautiful without me having to do any curls, but I definitely wanted to add some loose curls. As you saw, it was easy to put on. All I did was put the adjustable straps on. I put it on my head. It is literally sitting. I added a little bit of got to be spray right here on the closure, and low maintenance. It's so easy to like literally put on your head and go. So yeah, love this. It is 26 inches, 180% density. I think the density on this hair is perfect for the inches, okay, because I hate having long hair and then the density is thin and then the hair just looks thin and then you wind up having to cut it anyway. I think the 180% density on the 26 inches is perfection. Okay, perfection. As far as shedding, I haven't been dealing with too much shedding. It is just natural like amount, so it's very minimal. When I was doing my hair, I did feel like it was a little dry and I did experience a little bit of tangling, so that's why I'm going to do the check-in to let y'all know how this hair performs by the end of the night. I'm gonna let you know about the tangling, snagging, and if it mats. I'll let you know about all of that by the end of the night. Like I said, we're going to do a check-in. As far as the hair being colored, you can definitely color this hair. You could flat iron this hair, you could wash this hair, you could pretty much do whatever you would like. You could curl the hair up. As you saw, the hair definitely holds a curl, but like I said, we're going to do a check-in, so I'll get back to you with the answers to those by the end of the night, and I'll have like a full entire review, okay, after wearing the hair out and see how it performs, because it is really hot right now. It's hot, okay, especially under these lights. Okay, so I am about to go out and I will check in with y'all. Right now the time is 8:40. So I will be back at the end of the night with my full review. Okay, checking in, you guys. So it is 1:27 in the morning. This is what my hair looks like now. So it looks pretty much the same. The waves look really pretty. So there's no matting. It's like a little bit of snags, but not really. So no tangling. My fingers is running straight through the hair. Okay, so I would definitely recommend, I'm not going to lie, when I tell you I am in love with my hair, like I really mean I'm in love with my hair. Like the no baby hair look, perfection in my eyes. I love it, love it. I would definitely recommend this hair. Like I've had no problems with it at all. I got a lot of compliments while I was out. I had a good time. So yeah, as you can see, I'm a little oily. Need some blotting paper. Okay, but yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I would definitely recommend it. I would give it a 10 out of 10. That's how much I love it. Like I'm so in love with my hair. So I'm going to have a link to MsLynn Hair as well as a direct link to this hair down in the bottom bar for you, just in case you want to check it out. If you do get this hair, come back and let us know how you like it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will speak to you in my next video. Bye y'all.